What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful BMW 530i M Sport here with us today. Now let's start off by taking a walk around to show you guys how aggressive this car looks, especially in this bright color that we see right here. Check it out, man, dude. Love the wheels. I love the side profile of this car, the way how those straight lines angle up from the front all the way to the back. This chrome lining with the number 5 at the side, we'll get to that in a while more, but check out the rear mirror. Super sleek, clean, love it. Now, before we get right into the car's details, let us start off with the front. Now, first thing, the lights. Check out how beautiful these lights actually look. Now, these are LED lights for BMW LEDs, right there, listed right at the side of the lights. Amazing design for this. I love how it has a cut going down here, coming down here. That is fantastic. I like how it connects back to the black piece right here for the bumper to make it look very aggressive. Now let's move to the grille. You notice that there's this satin finish of a chrome like design for the front grille. It's really beautiful looking. And then we also have your BMW badging right in the center on top, as well as a 360 camera for the front right here. Now there are plenty of cameras all over the car, but in this case look at how it blends in to this side that it's hardly noticeable. Beautiful. Number plate holder down here. You got some air intake happening on this side right here for air to flow through all the way underneath here. Similar, as you can see. And then over there as well, you got some airflow on there together with on this side as well. So it's a very much aggressive looking front bumper that you guys are looking at. Now the front hood, the light here is absolutely helping in enhancing the appearance of this car. Now take a look at the lines, how it's connected from the front all the way to the side. And then my favorite part is the centerpiece that we have right here where the BMW badge is at. I like how the logo sits at the front, so it's really beautiful looking. Now let's jump to the front wheels first. Now these are solid disc brakes that we have right there. As you can see, you get your calipers, BMW badging, you got the M badging right here as well, so that's kind of cool. Pirelli tires. And let's check out the tire size, 245/40 R20 guys. These are 20-inch tires for the front and also the back. Now let's move to the side. You got your amazing M badging that we have for the front. Let's move to the mirrors right here. The side mirrors are fantastic in its own way. You got your turn indicators hidden right here. This again satin chrome like finish of a bottom piece for a side mirror, half of it. The top piece is still in white, so that's kind of cool. I love how they have it all over until the back, and then we meet the number 5, which is very nice indeed. Then it goes back all the way to the front. So the design of this car is, I love it, very nice indeed. So door handles are in. You want to pull it out, open them up. Now check out the brown interior, man. Damn, what's going on here, guys? It's beautiful. So I love how the ambient lighting is inside here as well. It's really nice, man, dude. Now you also get your Bowers & Wilkins speakers for here. Design is like just fantastic. Before that, let's lower down the volume because radio is on. So yeah, check out the side right here. Door handles integrated right there. Window adjustments right here. Amazing. You got your cup holders, not really cup holders, but more like compartment storage where a bottle you can slot in perhaps. The shape of it, lovely design. You got your Bowers & Wilkins speaker located down there. I love this brown finish that we have on the car. I like how there's some stitching here. I like how it blends in with all sorts of things. You got this light color right here, then you got this black, gloss black, but actually there's your ambient lighting right there. You got this chrome like handle, sort of like a satin metal, gun metal finish. You got this black stuff happening, you got this brown stuff happening, you got this dark color again, similar happening over there. You got this fabric right here, beautiful. Now let's take a look at the inside, guys. Now this does not have any plates at the side to welcome you, but it does have this gloss black finishing that we have, stunning. Check out the brown interior, guys, of this. Beautiful looking, guys, for the inside. I love how this texture feels. Seat adjustments front and back all the way here. You got your lumbar support and other adjustments right here. Amazing. The backrest also as well. Cool. So let's adjust it. And this texture at the front, love this. Now let's jump all the way in. Such a beautiful carpet that we have for this 530i. Now take a look. Amazing. Love this texture, guys. I'm not sure if the camera can capture it, but yeah, I think you can see it, right? Ambient lighting right here. Beautiful looking. I love how there's like this fan speed for the air vent also, located right there. Got this amazing texture for the front here, two-tone. You got another color right here. You got this ambient lighting right here. You got your black finish right here. Amazing, amazing finish. So glove compartment right there. Close that back. Fantastic design. Now the center, I believe there are these air vents here that control where the air flows. I like how it integrates so well, man. You know, there are some like you have them here, right? But in this case, you see how it's just like there, up or down. So it just controls that. So that's kind of cool. This also same. So it controls the air vents that are hidden on this side right here. So beautiful looking. Now, place to keep your phone. Wireless charging also happening in the same place here. And then you also got your 2 cup holders. You got your Type-C charging on this side right here. Both of them. Love this design, man. The centerpiece, fantastic. Love this glass kind of like looking of a wheel, your swivel wheel. You got your drive modes right here. You got your P for your parking. You got your auto hold. You got your engine start stop button right there. I'm not sure if I press it, does it light up? Oh, fantastic, man, dude. Check out the lighting. Check that out, man, dude. Beautiful looking. Fantastic, bro. Fantastic. So close and yep, leave that there. Press back home. We are back to home. Press a little bit of some apps. Fantastic. Love how this touchpad is just so fantastic, man. I mean, this wheel goes there and here, but yeah, damn, man, what's going on, dude? Kind of cool. I like it. So yeah, you can't really swipe anywhere up or down, but I'm not sure if I move up or move down. Yeah, it does move here and there, so it is nice indeed. So you get your other stuff happening right here, which is your media, telephone, navigation and things like that. Press that. We got your glove compartment right there. Amazing storage space. You got a 12-volt charging slot to be given right there as well. And this is me sitting comfortably in the front driver's seat. Sorry, passenger seat for the front passenger. Love the brown once again. Check out the seat belts, man. Fantastic. Very nice. I love it. So you got this grey stuff happening right here. You got those brown textures right there. I just love it, man. Love the seats. Beautiful. Now let's jump to the rear. Prop the door handle again. So here you notice there is some shade for your rear doors, right? So that's kind of cool. I like that a lot. You got your door handles located right there. Window adjustments here. You got your Bowers and Wilkins speaker. Love this amazing texture-like design. Brown finish right here. Another kind of color right there. You got these dark finishes here. Compartment storage right there. The design of this car is just kind of cool, man. Grey finish, or however you want to call it. You got brown finish, you got the black seat belts. Everything just matches so well. Feels super luxurious inside here. Now we are sitting in the rear passenger seat, behind the main passenger seat, so it's kind of cool. Check that out. Beautiful layout. Amazing roof lining also we have right here. Lights for the back, adjustments for the front, also kind of cool. You got your other Type-C connectivity right here, and you got some hook-like to perhaps assemble your display if you need to. And down here you got your Type-C charging over there. You got other stuff which is your air vent adjustments for temperature, I believe, over here. And this should be your small compartment storage to keep some stuff. Fan speed, direction of airflow, I believe. How much fan you want to bring in or not. But it's kind of clean for a screen. Or maybe there is no, I'm not sure. We got to turn it on to find that out in the future. But in the meantime, before we cross, take a look at me sitting comfortably at the rear. How about this side right here? So it is kind of cool. Very much comfortable. Now, these vents that we have right here controls the speed, the direction of the airflow for the rear passenger. Now, before that, what about this guy right here? What's happening here? So, 2 cup holders, amazing storage space, Let's push that back up. Let's jump to the center to feel what is it like to be sitting right here. So yeah, I feel higher up, I feel comfortable at the same time. The black seat belts really help out a lot, kind of cool. And now let's get down and open this up. So one thing we notice also is that there is no sleeve where you can keep some stuff. I figure that, you know, not many people store things at the back here, so there's no need to have one, right? So let's close that back. Let's get down and check out the rear wheels of this car, guys. Damn, what's going on here? These are Pirelli car tires, solid disc brakes, calipers right there. Got your BMW badging here, your M badging right there. These two-tone wheels, similar to the front, black and silver. What's the tire size of this car? Let's find the tire size. Where is it? Okay, there we go. So it's 275/35 R20. Those are the wheel sizes and also tire sizes for this car. I love the color, man, of the car, the brown, then the wheels, the design. Then you got your 5 badging over there. Petrol is over here. Very cool, man, dude. I like it a lot. Now, let's check out the rear. Fantastic design. You got your brake lights over here on the left side. You got on the right side, you got your 530i badging over there. You got your BMW logo right there. 360 camera located up there. Number plate holder, sensors all at the back. You got your rear diffuser that looks super aggressive looking. You know, very nice indeed. Love it. Reverse lights or your fog lamps should be here. Reflectors, the black finish, super stunning. Now let's open up the rear boot to show you guys. Amazing storage space that they have. We can fold down the seats. We'll go back there and do that in a while more, but yeah, check out the compartment storage. First aid kit, some other stuff happening over there, and amazing storage space, guys. The boot is huge. Warning triangle at the top. Closing up the boot is here, but before we get right to it, let's fold down the rear seats, guys. Check that out. Damn, what's going on? Beautiful. Amazing storage space that they have for a car like this, man. Fantastic, bro. Very nice indeed. So let's close the rear. Check that out. Amazing. So now let's jump all the way in the driver's seat that we have right here. So let's open up, and once we are in, we will notice that these Bowers and Wilkins speaker here, fantastic again. Lock, unlock, all are touch sensitive. These are fantastic. Ambient lighting. You got your child lock for the rear windows. You got your shade to come up and come down. Other adjustments here for your windows, mirror adjustments, and also folding of your mirrors. Handle to open up, as I mentioned earlier. These are your boot opening and closing. Compartment storage right here. I love the brown finish, as I mentioned, with all of these gunmetal type colors. You know, it just blends in so well, man, with the black speakers down there. Love the pedals, guys. The sport pedals are fantastic. Side adjustments here for your seats. Check out the interior once more. Beautiful looking. Now let's jump towards the inside right here. We will play around with the lights in a while more. Let me see if I can. There we go. So the lights are on right now. So we will play with the lights in a while more. But before that, take a look, guys, at all of these, at what we're seeing right now. So steering wheel, you got your boost power right here. Negative is for downshift, together with your upshift. And then you got your other adjustments, such as your wiper, to be located on this side right here, as you can see. You got your other light adjustments for your signal located on the left side right here. Cruise control for you to set on this side, and your other modes. You also have your other settings for you to adjust volume up, volume down, answering the call, music, voice command, and other settings that you can toggle through, I believe, is to check your servicing and whatnot. Beautiful steering wheel. I love the flat bottom like design. M badging here is stunning indeed. I love all these aggressive looking holes and openings at the bottom piece of the steering. So that's damn cool, man. Okay, so we're back to the center right here. Fantastic layout. Check out the rear. The driver's seat. Sitting comfortably here right now, and it does look very sporty. Indeed, I feel sporty. So head-up display located right there. You got your other stuff happening right here. Let's close that down. Amazing. Hello. So SOS call button, as I mentioned. You got your camera that looks on the inside also as well. You got your other lightings adjustments all the way up here. So frameless mirrors, I love that. Beautiful layout, guys. I love how this car feels. So let's give this car a little bit of power. On top of that, let's turn on the, I'm not sure if I can turn on the front lights like this right now, but let's try. The front lights are not really on yet, but cool, man. Let's take a look at the screen back here. Close this, close back, home. Let me try. Ah, there we go. Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? What's happening with this? Or is my hand just too sensitive? Uh-huh. Okay, I turned on the lights. Let's take a look. Now the daytime running lights have actually came on for a while and then they have turned off actually. I'm not sure if I can actually do that again. Aha, I think I figured out why. It's because I believe the battery needs to be charged. But yes, there you go. Check that out before they turn off. Amazing daytime running lights on the left and right. You got your main headlights right there, guys. Damn sporty. Love how the grille lights up with this ring light, you know, which was all over earlier, if you notice. Really beautiful. Now let's turn it on again to show you guys what's happening. One more time, guys. Okay. So now the daytime running lights are back on. Check out the front grille. How the grille actually looks. Beautiful, right? It looks really, really, really stunning indeed. Love how the finishing of this front grille actually looks. Now let's jump to the back. Got some blue touches down there, you know, with the lights. Very nice indeed. Now let's jump to the rear and admire how the back looks like. Beautiful like brake lights, man. Damn stunning. All these lights right here. Stunning way. Okay, so now let's also take a look at the hazard lights that we have on this side. Find the hazard light. Touch on that. Can I touch on that? There we go. Cool. So we have your turn indicators right here underneath the side mirrors, which looks damn cool. And also on top of that, we have both lights that we're having, the daytime running lights, automatically switched to your turn indicators like this, your hazard light. So it does look very cool indeed. Check it out from this side right here. Fantastic layout. So let's jump to the rear to show you guys how does the back lights look like. So it is kind of cool. The back parts is the center here that becomes the signal indicator. Cool. So yeah, so that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about BMW cars, I currently am at Performance Motors here in Pencalaling, Damansara. Do check these guys out. They have tons of cars parked all over the place here. So fantastic layout,